We got a 5-year-old video. Let's see if the plan method still applies. It does. It does. It applies to anything and everything you do when you're even walking. Yeah, but we're going to be going fast in this one.
It looked very dangerous, but he managed to escape.
Okay, we're going to make this corner, hopefully. Please make the corner. No, we're not going to make the corner. We're going to... Oh, hey, that's a success. Learn from it. Learn from it. He didn't crash. All right. Nice little position. Nice space cushion. Okay, moving over. See, now you can see. So good job moving to a new position. Okay, they're turning right. They're going to slow down. Oh, line of sight issue. I love that he wasn't going super fast through it. So handled it very well. Good job. Good job. Yeah, knee down, buddy. Yeah, just the tip moto vlogs. Interesting choice. Going super fast in the corners, but we couldn't make this one because our buddy went a little bit too slow for us, and we went wide and crashed. Have fun getting that out. Have fun getting that out. You're gonna need a little bit of help. Hopefully you guys are talking to each other in your Cardo pack talks. You'd be like, hey, can you come around? Turn around, please. I need help. I crashed. Yeah, he's a little pissed off. Not a big deal, though. Not a big deal. Not a big deal.
Here we have
all right, filmed with a camera. Max wrist Indian version. All right, here we go, Max wrist India. We're going already too wide. Let's see what happens here. Oh, we're still going to go wide. And then we're going to crash into the side of whatever that rock is. And we're going to dump the bike. Here we go. Put our hands out. That's a natural human instinct. And we're going to snap our radius and ulna. Hopefully not. But then we're going to hit our head and shoulder and elbows when we hit to the left side. Yoink. And we have knee pads from Home Depot. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Wonder how those are going to help out. Wonder how that's going to help out. Cool Breeze Rider, haven't seen you in a while. This is from 5 years ago. Hopefully he's still riding. That's going to be cool. What are you doing, dude? Oh, you see how they slammed the brakes, how the front end dove down? Yeah, because they freaked out. They're in the wrong spot. Oh. They're going to get back over. You don't have to keep pointing at them. I mean, shame is an effective tool in some situations, but it's not something I want to do all the time. Not a big deal. All right, here we go. We are lane splitting. Watch out for any open gaps, just in case anybody wants to come out and switch lanes just like this. It's a Prius. Remember back in the day, it was always the Priuses. Now it seems to be like Teslas and Karens. Doesn't matter what they're driving.
Using his phone.
There we go. Ghost 314.
The biker decided.
Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. Creeping out, swerve. You gotta get out of the way. Good job, though. You didn't get hit. Nice U-turn. Been practicing the Smart Rider drills. Discount link in the description for 20% off. 24 drills to practice in a parking lot. Could easily do a U-turn in the middle of the road. Doing that, I don't recommend it. Wow, are we using Windows like 95 graphics on this? What the heck? What the heck? Okay, we don't need to be seeing all of this. People get angry. Whatever. People get angry. Alright. Having some fun riding around filmed with a potato. A little artifact compression. We got a side of the vehicle right there. Are they going to come out? Yes, they are. Good job slowing it down, applying the brakes. A little train track right there. It could be a little scary, but you handled it. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Handled it. Remember, this was back in the day 5 years ago where any little inconvenience was so cool that we could post it on Moto Stars, Moto Madness, Dirt Bike Lunatic. Do you guys remember all of those? All right, here we go. We are going to have to turn right because we're in the right turn lane. So we're going to stay within our lane. Okay, we're going to follow this little line right there. Very good. That person did not do that. But good job applying the brakes. Good job. Now, I don't want to stay on the train tracks. Get off the train tracks. Switch lanes if you can.
Turn lanes.
Yeah, there's 2 turn lanes. You got it. Get off the train tracks. Get off the train. There we go. Finally. Jeez. Oh, you saw that. I gave you a little heads up on that one. What is this driver going to do? They're going to switch lanes. We're in the blind spot. We're in the blind spot. He sees it. Let him in. Let him in. Because you're not going to win that. Just let him in. Not a big deal. Not a big deal.
Although the biker is very nervous about...
Okay, nice little roundabout. Ooh, look at those potholes. That's not fun. Watch out for anybody wanting to merge out in front of you. Ooh, swerve, mercy, accelerate, brake. Got to do something different other than honking the horn. What are you doing?
You give priority the right.
Okay.
Right.
Not a big deal. I got a little panic, got a little scared.
Damn.
Oh, here we go. What do we do? Yeah, try to wheelie. Our GoPro is gone, and we're just gonna loop it without any gear and fall to our left, smash our ankles, smash our back. Bike is destroyed. Yeah, music. Slow-mo. Okay, come on. Let's go. Get up. Oh, now we're gonna do it at normal speed. Here we go. We're gonna dump the bike. Okay, cool. We could have done that first. Okay. Could have done that first. Let's get to our bike. Feel a little embarrassed, a little bit shocked. There's our passenger seat just on the ground. Thankfully, didn't have a passenger. There we go. So
to stop in the middle of the road.
scoot. Stop in the middle of the road. Shouldn't have done that, but good job applying the brakes. Not a big deal. What's up with these 5-year-old videos, Motostars? Not a big deal. They just applied the brakes. You apply the brakes. It is what it is. Maybe they weren't supposed to go on there. It doesn't really matter. They did. Whoa, transition. Open lane pattern right here. Let's see if it still works. Oh, they switched over. Yep, they switched over. Okay, go ahead and navigate through this. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Yeah, power wheelie through the intersection to show off in front of the gas station. Having some fun. Hopefully we don't loop it. We might need to put our front end down in case something happens. And there's the little wobble. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Going through the corner. Okay, nice little off-ramp. It's a very, very nice off-ramp. You got plenty of space. What do we got here? Get a little freaked out. Oh, somebody in the mirror right next to him. Got a little close. Hey, off-ramp means you slow down, buddy. At least he's laughing about it. Okay, what do we got here?
Startled me. I didn't see ya.
Okay. All right, so somebody's super wide. They're turning into us. We're gonna have to apply the brakes and slow down. Good job. Yeah. I mean, some of these are old videos that, like, any inconvenience is what's causing this. Okay, not a big deal. Come through here, big old bunch of traffic. Open lane pattern. Anybody gonna want to sneak out? Oh, there it is. They wanted to go over, get around. They used the open lane to get around. Happens. I don't lay blame on the black BMW. What is up with the editing back in the day? It's all crooked. Look at you. All right, here we go. So we're coming up through here. Nice little roundabout. Can't see anything. Are they going to want to get across? Yeah, they're going to get across. Not a big deal. Is this what people used to get upset about back in the day? Like, people would get upset about anything. YZF Chris. Oh, that one's something to be a little upset about. Somebody's going to want to come out, and they're going to go a little too far. So, mercy, accelerate out of that situation. Finally, we got a teachable moment. Just get out of there. All right, here we go. We have another side of the vehicle popping up right here. They're going to come out. Not a big deal. They merged. We probably increased our speed.
Hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon.
Motostars, that's... What is this? What is this? Like, it's not... Like, is this what made you, like, take off? I mean, 56,000 views back in the day. That's pretty good.